Nigeria's Debt Management Office will offer 50 billion naira in T-bills primary auctions today, and traders at Access Bank say they expect the market participants to shift their focus to the auction while also anticipating the special bills to be introduced by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Constance Onyia, a fixed income dealer at Access Bank, joins me now to give us an update on the markets today. Thank you so much, Constance. And let's look at what you are expecting from today's primary market auctions.
Okay, thank you for having me, Kenneth. Okay, today we're expecting the VMO to release 50 billion of NCB maturing, and the last stop rate was 0.15, but today we anticipate that rates will be inching up. How high, we do not know, but maybe to about 2 to 3%. Right now, we think market has been bearish on that tone. It's been a bit quiet from Monday since we've been expecting the special OMO CBN had announced to give banks, but this hasn't happened yet, and so this has made markets slightly bearish. We've seen more offers in the market since Monday, and coming into today, market is just quiet, waiting on the auction results. In the interbank market, we've seen that market is about 530 billion up, and OBBN overnight had remained at 0.83 and 1.33 respectively. For the bonds market, it has also been quiet as well, as we have seen more offers on the 23s all the way to the 49s. We've seen improved offers in the market, and this is like a bearish zone for us. Going into today as well, for the bond market, it's been quiet, as well as the treasury bills market. We're all waiting for the auction result to come out, and then we'll hope to see more activities in the near time.
What about the liquidity situation in the markets, and what are your expectations in the near term for this week?
Okay, so the liquidity, we are about 530 billion up in the system. OBBN overnight, like I mentioned earlier, has been about hovering from 0.5 to 1.5 range, and we expect that today's auction, only 50 billion will be taken out, and then we still expect the market to be up about 480 billion thereabouts. So we expect CBN to come up with an OMO auction as well tomorrow. We also expect that the special bill that will be given to us, their CRR, that will happen on Friday. If all this should happen, maybe markets will go back to about 100 billion level, and then so rates might go up in the interbank market. But currently now, as it is, we are the liquidity is quite high, and we expect OBBN overnight to remain at this 0.5 levels to 1% level.
All right, about getting your outlook for next week. Next week is we're expecting some data coming out from like inflation and all. How are you pricing that into the market?
Okay, so now as market speculators are already seeing that rates are going to inch up, we already expect that rates will go up to price in a little bit of the inflation that we have been seeing going up. We don't expect the inflation figures to come down now. We're still expected to go up. So we are seeing that this rate is probably priced in today from the auction result that's going to come out. We'll see that rates will probably inch up. So coming into next week, we hope that rates will be trading at about 5% levels in the market. On the treasury bills angle, that's on the OMO side. NCB is expected to be client-driven as the demand in that space has been high. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, the first quarter calendar of the treasury bills is out for the auction. So they're going to be selling about 850 billion will be on offer for the first quarter. This is quite not a huge amount as well. So the intentions here will probably just be mixed sentiment, first of all. But once the stop rate for today comes out, it's going to determine a lot of things. If the rate should go up, then it means that we're already pricing in the inflation figures.